Hi, in front of me I have REALME Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen to open the menu, like this. In the menu, scroll all the way down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, tap on display option. And here we have the screen timeout. Tap on it. And right here we have 3 durations: 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and 15 seconds. Select the one you like by tapping on it, like this. And once you're done, tap on the check mark to confirm. And now the screen on my watch will turn off after 15 seconds of an activity. So it's gonna stay awake longer than by default. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to the watch face like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.